How to clear chats on Instagram. Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to easily clear chats on Instagram. It can be very useful in decluttering your inboxes, and then if you want to clear out different chats, then this video is very helpful to you. Let's see how you can easily clear the chats. So right now I have my Instagram open. So you just want to head over to your inbox section. So just swipe to the left and you will get to your inbox. Now, all you want to do here is choose the message that you want to delete. So long press on it, and then you will see this option that says delete. So once you do this, you can easily delete the message from here. But the people who message you can still see the conversation and can message you again unless you block them. So this will only clear out from your side and not the other person. So as you guys know, you can just clear it from your side. So it won't clear it from the other person's side as well. And that's how you basically clear your messages or chats on Instagram. So let me show you once again. You can just tap and hold on it, then click on delete and tap delete. Now it will easily delete your chat. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.